Hello there everyone, and welcome to the June 2020 standalone die release full reveal video. First up we have Spring Roses die set. This includes 3 beautifully large dies with intricate beautiful flowers and leaves. They have different clusters in this one, so you'll be able to use them on all of your different kinds of projects, and I think they're really a delicate look with these ones. Next up we have Hanging Garden die set. So in this one we have 2 really beautiful, delicately detailed branches with some little hanging berries on there as well. So these would look great cut from white cardstock, or even lots of coloured cardstock to create a really bold and eye-catching look that way. Next up we have the Leafy Border Die. Now this is a really cool one. So it's 5.5 inches long, and what it's going to do, it's going to cut like a strip from the middle of a piece of cardstock. It's going to cut the strip, but it's also going to leave those beautiful branches and foliage there, so you can create various different looks of this depending on where you're going to put it on your project. You may even be able to elongate this one as well, as it doesn't actually cut the edge pieces. Next up we have the Bitty Bloom 3D die set. So in here we have a really beautiful little flower. It has 3 layers, and then we also have 2 solid leaves in there as well. So you can cut these in multiple different colours, create lots of clusters with them, or you could even just add one for a simple little embellishment that way. Next up we have the Rose Wreath Die. Now this is around 4 inches by 4 inches, and it has a beautiful delicate wreath in it, and it has lots of roses and different kinds of foliage in there. So you're going to be able to create lots of beautiful wreaths with this one. Next up we have Gem Frame Die. Now this frame is around 3 inches by 3 inches, and it's got this beautiful, like kind of faceted, like the top of a beautiful gem, so it's going to give you all different details that way. It's very geometric, so you may be able to use this on all of your crafting projects too. Next up we have Soda Top Nesting die set. So in this one we have 6 different dies, so they're all separate, they're not joined together, and you're going to be able to create lots of frames with these, mats and layers, a little place to put your sentiments, but it's a really great one to play around with and create lots of different effects with this one too. Next up we have the Bold Thanks die set. So in this one you have the sentiment thanks, and also you have another layer which creates a shadow, so you can lay them on top of each other to create various different effects. Either use really bold colour cardstock, or you can use some light ones for a really subtle look as well. Last but not least we have the Waterbrush Hello. So this one's a large sentiment, it does say hello, and you can use this on all of your different crafting projects. Because it's a really large one, it's going to create a large focal piece, so you can definitely use this on your cards, and it also works well on your scrapbook pages too. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again really soon. Bye bye!
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching!